Over time, poor posture may lead to stiffness, pain, and move on to tissue damage and premature joint degeneration. We are all guilty of neglecting our posture as we run through the tasks of the day. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about how yoga can help to improve body posture. The first asana is downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can start on your palms and knees in a tabletop position. Take your palms slightly ahead, fingers widespread, pressing into the mat. Here, simply press your toes into the floor, lifting up the pelvis and straightening the knees. Make sure your feet are hip width apart. Now straighten your arms and gently look at your navel or towards your toes, keeping the head relaxed in between your arms. The heels touch the floor, but if that feels too much, please keep your knees bent. Hold for 5 to 7 breaths and relax and come into child's pose. The next asana is Vajrasana or the thunderbolt pose. Kneel on the floor with the knees close together. Bring the big toes together and separate the heels. Sit back on your heels, the hips touching the heels. Place the hands on the knees facing down. Keep your shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground, spine upright. You can close your eyes. Breathe normally and try to stay for a few minutes. If you have knee issues, you can sit on a bolster or block and hold as per your comfort. Coming on to the last asana, standing cat-cow. Doing the cat-cow stretch while standing helps to loosen up tightness in your back, hips and glutes. How to do this asana? Stand with your feet about hip width apart with a slight bend in your knees. Extend your hands in front of you and place them on your thighs. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest and round your spine. Inhale, then look up, lift your chest and arch your back, opening it. Continue this movement for 5 to 7 times. The asanas shown earlier are great to improve your posture, also helps you become more confident, helps you move better, and helps you feel better overall. Hope these asanas will help you correct your posture. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do you think it is important to add yoga in your daily lifestyle? Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.